òun ni màláìkà rẹ̀, òun ni màláìkà rẹ̀. Fájìmí ń fẹ́ Káyọ̀dé, òun ni màláìkà rẹ̀.
Hi everyone, good day wherever you are watching this video today. Fájìmí Fakayode is here again. Today I bring you another spiritual tip and important tip as always. So, and if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be part of the family. Today I want to share with you how you can make love and attraction bead. Whenever we say love and attraction bead, or when you hear love and attraction bead, some people will assume it is only for women, but as the name implies, it is not only for women. Everyone deserves to be loved, everyone deserves to be cared for, you understand? So this is for both men and women, and this love and attraction bill has been tested and confirmed many times. So, and I want to share it with the public. And if you are watching this as a part of saying thank you, you make sure you like this video, share with others, so that it will go the channel. And here we got some few things to use for this tips. That means we are not going to, all the items here are not far-fetched. They are something you can get around you understand? So this love and attraction bead is for men, women, children and adults. Just like I said, no restriction on gender or age. So anyone, you can do this for your children, you can do this for your wife, for your husband, and this is also for married women too. So these are one of the things all these side chicks and all of them are using outside. And if you are the side chick, you are watching this right now, don't use this negatively. Because whoever is wearing this will be loved and cared for. So, and so let's make sure you use this rightly if you want it to work for you. Don't say because you see a video on YouTube or free online, you will just do anyhow. So this bead, you can wear it to an interview, you can wear it to a job interview, to collect visa, to your work, to your job, to get loved by your husband, to get loved by your wife, to get loved by a woman and men. So it's just basically for love and affections and attraction generally. So it is working perfectly. Here are the items. The first thing you are going to need is, if you are a man, you cannot be wearing waist bead now. So it is advisable you buy maybe you buy hand beads, neck beads, or maybe something you can wear on your finger. Anyone that is convenient for you. And if it is convenient that you wear if it is convenient for you to be wearing waist bead, you can wear it, so it will work. It doesn't matter where you put it in your body, it will still work. So what are you going to get? You will be getting the beads. As much as you like. So when you get the bead, you buy a very big coconut, something like this one I'm holding, a very big coconut. This one is even smaller. I'm just using it for practical, because I'll just be explaining right in this video. So you go and get a very big, that contains a lot of water. So you are going to get the very big coconut, so that when you put the bead and some other contents I'm going to explain, to contain it very well and to be spacious enough. So another item you are going to get for this is this rosary pea leaf. This is known as a way of missing in Yoruba, or Owerejeje. So the leaves, the seed is called rosary pea or crab pies. So whenever you see crab pies or rosary pea, it produces crab pies and rosary pea, you see. So this is the leaf. We call it omisi. So let me show you, so you can see that this is known as a way of omisi, and this is how you are going to be doing it. You make sure you go and get something like this. If you cannot get the fresh one, you can get the dried one. So this is how you are going to do it. You will take the coconut and press on the hole. Every coconut you buy, you will notice there's a hole here, there's a penetrator. So you will firstly find the nails something very sharp, you will make a hole on that coconut. You will make a hole so that because you are not going to break the coconut, that's what we are going to need. So you will find a nails or sharp things that you can make a hole. You know, there's always one penetrating hole on every coconut you buy. So you will find that hole, the one that is very penetrating. You will make a hole very big on that coconut. After pressing through it very well, you will find a very clean bowl. You will collect the water into that bowl. You will collect the water inside of this coconut into the bowl. After collecting the water there, and then this is what you are going to do. You will make sure you collect every water inside of this coconut. You will make sure you collect every water there. After collecting the water, then you will put this crab ice leaf, this away of missing, you will put it inside, and then you will be squeezing it. You will be squeezing it very well. You will be squeezing you will be using the coconut water to squeeze this very well until the water turns green very well. You will be very sure that you squeeze it very well. Squeeze it with this leaf. Make sure you can use either fresh one like this or maybe dried one, in as much as you can squeeze it very well. When you squeeze it very well, no one will tell you before you know it has gotten to the essence you want. So you will see it turning green. So when you squeeze it very well, you will see it turning green, and that's what you need. So in as much as you can squeeze it very well, then you will now filter it. You will filter the water, because the water is what we need. Then you will now put the beads. So the beads, you by assuming this is the bead, you will put it. You know, I told you to press through inside this, and you've collected the water. You will put the bead inside of the coconut. You put your bead. That's why I told you to get a very big coconut that will contain the bead, whatever you want to put there. Even if it's just a ring, you know, some people use bead as rings. You know, it's common in Africa. So if you want to be, this is all you want, if the bead is as small as this, you can still put it there. So anything that will be convenient for you, you know, that wouldn't create a suspicion and anything at all. You can even use bead that you have been using for a very long time. So you will put it inside of here, and then you put the bead inside of here, and then the water you squeezed, the coconut water you squeezed with the leaves, you will there pour it. The water must not pour away. You will pour it inside of here, inside of the coconut. You will pour everything. Then you will find a chewing gum or sellotape to cover the face, that hole, the hole you made. You find the chewing gum to cover the hole. After pouring the water inside the coconut, you will cover it, and then you go and put it somewhere for 7 days. You can even bury it. You can keep it somewhere safe. The only thing is, someone must not see it throughout that 7 days. Someone must not see it wherever you keep it. So that is why it's advisable you keep it very well and safe. And after that 7 days, then you will go and break the coconut. After breaking the coconut, you will then take your bead and dry it under your roof. One thing about this is, you must not dry the beads under a scorching sun. You must not put it under a sun. So it will be working perfectly if you dry it under. Maybe you can put it inside your room so that the fan will dry it up to work perfectly that way. Or maybe you take it and then you put it somewhere so that it will be smelly somehow. So you put it so that the water can dry there. So you let it dry. Then after drying, then it begins working. You will be wearing it. So wherever you go, you are wearing this on you. People will love you. If you are going to for visa, if you are going for job interview, if you are going for anything at all, you are wearing this. It is very sure that you are going to meet people there. You are going to be people, and people will be loving you. People will be giving you more things in as much as you are wearing it. One thing, and there are rules about this spiritual works. If you are using this thing, so let's start from here. If you want to do this, make sure you are spiritually clean. Starting from women, let's start from women. So if you are on your period, if you are on your menstruation period, you don't do this to not work. So you must not do this while you are on your menstruation period. Assuming you use the waist bead and along the line, it doesn't mean in as much as you are wearing it, you can wear it anyhow you like. So you must make sure when you want to do this, you are not on your period. That's the first rule there. And if you are a man and you want to be doing this too, so you must not allow a woman in her period to touch you understand, so it will just spoil it, you understand. So that's those are the things that can weaken the beads. So it doesn't matter if water touches it later, maybe by process you are wearing it. For example, if you are a woman, you are wearing it on your waist, someone will ask if they should remove it whenever they want to copulate with their husband. No, you don't have to remove it. It can still be there while you are having the thing with your husband or your wife, so you can still be wearing it. So anywhere you go, the only thing that could spoil it is those things I mentioned earlier. Those things I mentioned earlier are the things that can easily spoil it, and apart from that, nothing else. So you'll be wearing it. And another thing about this is it is not something shareable. If you want to do it for yourself, you must make sure you use one coconut and all the ingredients for yourself. If you want to do it for your kid, that means you want to do it for yourself and your kid, you are getting two coconuts, one for yourself, one for your kid. Then you'll be doing it separately, you understand. So you understand, so you must not put two beads inside one coconut that you are planning to share with someone else. Like you put two beads now, then you want to wear it and your friend wearing it too. It will not work that way. You must make sure that you put just single bead that will be enough for you, or two beads. If you normally wear 6 or 5 beads, put everything there. Just make sure you are the only one using it. Once you share it, it will stop working. So if you want to do it, if you want your friend to do it, you can just share this video, you tell them out, or you tell them how to do it on their own, or you do it for them separately. You understand? So that's the rule there. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you share this video with anyone. Make sure you like this video so that it will be promoted. Make sure you like and subscribe. And at the same time, someone asked when someone begged me to be doing some program in local language, Yoruba language. So I will work on that. So actually, there are some spiritual works that cannot be explained in English language. So um, I'm going to be doing that one differently. So if I put something up in Yoruba language, I've also put another one in English language. They will also be working in the same manner. So just for the sake of people that say they don't understand much English, you understand. So for this level we are speaking in, some people still say they don't get it very well. So they want us to be doing it Yoruba language differently. So I'm going to create a playlist. So it's just basically for them. It does not affect the program we are doing here. So if your level of English, or your maybe your level of understanding is not up to the way we are clarifying it. So the Yoruba will be for you. You go there and you watch. So the playlist is just for Yoruba. So I'm going to create another playlist very soon, which I'm going to make the announcement. So and I believe it's going to benefit everyone. Thank you for watching. I still remain your spiritualist, Ifajimi Fakayode. Next time I'll be sharing another video. Have a good and nice day. Remain blessed.